Hello everyone, this is a 80 plus 50 extrusion lines especially for speaker cable manufacturer. This is two head for two lines for the copper payoff. This is injection, this is straightening, this is a MIM machine 80, this is touch screen Siemens. This is control panel. This is water tank, active. This is double layer water tank. We have the covers, special covers. This is accumulate, as you see here. This is our warehouse. You always will come to visit us. This is teacup, active teacup, active to change the bobbins, the heads.